afternoon. Patrick and Jerry at Trash Miller Customs here. Gonna do a little bit of fender rolling. Got us a fender roller from Jegs, and we're gonna go from that green tape to the green tape and get the heat gun out and warm it up a little bit, and hopefully we're successful. So
I hope so too.
yeah, me too. Anyways, let's get going. All right, let's get this set up. So we wanna, oh, can you put it in neutral?
It is.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Oh yeah. It feels like it's dipping in.
Is it dipping in?
It feels like it.
I think it's dipping. Let's heat it up a little bit.
I don't, honestly, after looking at this paint,
Yeah.
there ain't, this paint, see this is what you need a picture of right there. So you can see how, because it's discolored and burnt clear almost to this edge.
So we're gonna go ahead and finish rolling the fenders with the coil part of the hammer. I'm just kidding. We finished it yesterday. I was gonna do a closing video, but beers got cracked and we forgot. So, anyways, yeah, I've got a tire's not rubbing anymore, and last thing we got to do is we're putting just a new fuel gauge and sending it in here because the old one doesn't work, and the one that was in the truck was the original 56, and they run off a King Sealy system and not a regular resistance fuel sending unit. Whatever, it's confusing, but we got a whole unit coming. So okay, so next week we're going to replace the mid muffler and put in an X pipe in a 2019 Grand Cherokee with a Hemi in it, so we can get some good sound out of it. So check it out, Trash Miller Customs. Stay classy and stay healthy. All right.